implications in sentences. First is present tense. Action happening now or regularly. She walks to school every day. Now second is past tense. Past tense, he finished his homework last night. And then the future tense. Action that will happen. They will travel tomorrow. So this is how the present transit to past and then to future. And in this manner, the tense implied in the sentences. Identify the types of tenses. Read the given sentences from these tense worksheet and identify the type of tense being used. My brother lives in Delhi. My brother lives in Delhi. The girls are playing badminton. Once a week, she washes her clothes. I will meet you at the cafe. Case, it's simple present tense. It means the subject and the verb's first form with S. In second case, present continuous tense. Present continuous means subject plus ing plus in plus ing. In third case, simple present tense. Again, subject plus verb की first form. In the fourth case, simple future tense means future tense will or shall, but it is simple indefinite tense. Fill in the correct form of verb. First is she dash play badminton every day. Second is they dash go to the library tomorrow. I dash am eating ate pasta for dinner last night. We dash go are going to the party every weekend. In first sentence, plays, because the subject is third person. He, she, it में से कोई भी हो तो उसके साथ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगेगी, उसके साथ एस लगेगा. तो क्योंकि वर्ब जो है वो थर्ड पर्सन है तो उसके साथ जो सब्जेक्ट जो है वो थर्ड पर्सन है तो उसके साथ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म एस के साथ लगेगी. दूसरे में है विल गो क्योंकि सेंटेंस में जो टुमारो का यूज़ हुआ है इसलिए इसमें विल गो ये फ्यूचर टेंस है. थर्ड में एट क्योंकि ये पास्ट की बात है तो इसमें एट वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म लगेगी. फोर्थ में गो क्योंकि ये सब्जेक्ट में प्रेजेंट की बात है इसलिए गो लगेगा. गो. ओके, हैव ए नाइस डे. रीड द गिवन सेंटेंसेस इन द टेंस वर्कशीट and change their tenses as directed. The girl speaks the truth. ये कौन सा टेंस है और इसको आपको चेंज करना है प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में. दूसरा है प्रिशा एट ऑल द कुकीज़. ये कौन सा टेंस है और आपने इसको चेंज करना है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में। आई हैव फिनिश्ड माई होमवर्क, ये कौन सा टेंस है और इसे आपको चेंज करना है पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में। और चौथा है यश शैल फिनिश हिज डिज़ाइन बाय देन, ये कौन सा टेंस है और आपको इसको चेंज करना है फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में। एंड नाउ द स्टूडेंट्स, you might have filled the verbs in the sentences and changed the tense as instructed in the questions. I think you can check your answers with this answer key. Now the first is the girl is speaking the truth. I have changed the tense. And second is Prisha has eaten all the cookies. Prisha has eaten all the cookies. And third है I had finished my homework. I had finished my homework. Fourth है Yash shall have finished his design by then. Yash shall have finished his designs by then. Correction in the tense. Error correction in the tense. जो नीचे sentences दिए हैं इनमें आपने गलती ढूंढनी है और उसको correct करना है. First is I never travel internationally. I might next year through. Though. Next is I work here since 2002. Third is the radio is too loud. Okay, I turn it down. Fourth, when he was a kid, he used to playing sports with his friend. Now, read the sentences and try to rectify them and find out the error, whatever it is, and correct the sentences and write them in the comment section. Of course, I will also give you an answer key by which you will be able to compare your answer with your answer and can attain perfection in using the tenses. Thank you. Have a nice day. The correct sentences are पहला है I have never traveled internationally. I might next year though. Second है जो बिल्कुल सही है I have worked here since 2002. Third है the radio is too loud. Okay, I will turn it down. Fourth है when he was a kid, he used to play sports with his friends. Now I have rectified the sentences and these are the correct sentences. In this way you can also practice a lot of sentences by sentences and attain the perfection in using the tenses. And now it is the last exercise, sentence formation. Read the following sentences from this worksheet on tenses and change the tenses on per given direction. In addition, you might need to make changes in the adverb as well. आप adverb में या sentences में change कीजिए ताकि उसे आप अपने tense के हिसाब से change कर दें. He hadn't thought about that. Change into simple past tense. Second is he didn't want to go. Change into simple present tense. Third is she will be waiting for us. Change into present continuous tense. Fourth is I always want to be a writer. Change into present perfect tense.